Now guys, what is depreciation? What does the normal textbook meaning of depreciation say? What is depreciation? Unmute. What do you mean by depreciation? The value of the car is depreciating. The value of the machine is depreciating. Blah blah blah. What does depreciation?
I think decrease.
Perfect. Depreciation means decrease. Appreciation means increase. Correct? Now, the same logic is applied over here. The question is simply changing to Unmana has a car. The value of the car is 1 lakh rupees. Because she uses the car every day, every year the car depreciates at the rate of 10%. What would be the value of the car at the end of 3 years? Did any logic change with respect to the previous one? What changed? What is the only thing that changed? There is one thing that changed. What is it?
It reduced.
Correct. In the formula, if you see, the plus became minus. Even in when you do it the logical way, instead of increasing, you will decrease it. That means at the end of first year, what is happening? 1 lakh into 10% ka decrease. That is 10,000. So it will become 1 lakh minus 10,000. That is, it will become 90,000. You again do the same thing. You again do the same thing. You will get the answer of at the end of 3 years. Or if you guys, I want the logic to be clear in your head. If you want to save time, you put the formula directly. But you should understand how you got the formula. Put the formula, you will end up at the same answer. Are we clear with this? I spent more time on the previous slide so that this slide became a cakewalk. We are now going to learn how to convert percentages to fractions and how to convert fractions to percentages. It's one and the same thing. It's just moving from A to B or from B to A. Doesn't this table look annoying to you guys? Isn't it giving you a headache? Now, let's see how we can solve this, how we can understand it. Guys, there are some tricks. Okay, instead of going by the logic, I'll explain the logic also. Let's look at some tricks because of which these fractions to percentages becomes very easy. Now guys, what is 1 out of 1 as a percentages? Unmana wrote a test. The maximum marks were 1. Unmana scored 1. What was Unmana's percentage? Unmana, tell me.
100%.
Brilliant. So 1 by 1 is 100. Now what am I saying? The maximum marks of the test were 2 and Unmana got 1. How much? What was Unmana's percentage?
50%.
50%. Correct. The maximum marks of the test were 3. Unmana got 1 mark. What was the percentage?
For 30. Oh, okay.
Okay. Some percentages need to be imbibed in you. Alright. Now, 1 by 2 is 50%. What is 2 by 2? 100%.
100%.
Now 1 by 3 is 33%. How do I get 2 by 3? I will multiply 1 by 3 into 2, right? What if I do into 2? What will I end up with? 66.66%. All of you agree with me? Everyone's following? 2 by 3 is what? 2 by 3 is nothing else but 1 by 3 into 2, right? This is nothing else but 2 by 3. Is everyone following? Now what is,
Yes, sir.
what is 3 by 3? 3 by 3 is 99.99%. So we approximate it to 100%. Clear? Is everyone clear?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
how is 3 by 3 99.99%?
3 by 3 is 1 by 1, which is 100%, but 99.99 is very close to 100%. That is the reason I did not put equal to. I said approximately equal to.
But
Did
sir, how
Look
is
at-
it?
Isn't
Yes, sir, but it shouldn't. How can it not be equal to 100?
No, it is not equal. Obviously, how is 99.99 equal to 100? There is a very minute difference. There is a difference, but it
No,
is
sir.
yes,
I'm saying that 3 is completely divisible by 3, right?
correct.
So then it
No.
should be 100.
Okay. Right. Now listen to this. Listen to this very interesting thing. If I say 1 by 3 is 33.33%, right? What did we do for 2 by 3? We did 1 by 3 into 2. We did 33.33 into 2. We got 66.67 percentage. You agree with me, Priscilla? Now, to get 3 by 3, what did I do is, I said 1 by 3 into 3 karenge. That is 33.33 into 3, which is equal to 99.9999, something very close to 100. Do you now get my point? Both of them are same,
Yes, sir.
but the difference is so insignificant that it does not matter. Are you now clear? Now, what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4,
Sir,
1 by 4 as a percentage is 1 by 4 into 100, which is what? 25%?
sir,
Yes, Priscilla.
I just typed in the calculator 1 divided by 3, but I didn't get 33.33.
You got 33.3333333333.
No, sir, I got 0.333 infinitely.
Correct. So we are calculating a percentage, right? So do that. Okay, whatever you got, multiplied by 100. Tell me what you get. When I'm converting a fraction into a percentage, I'm obviously multiplying it by 100, right?
Yes, sir. Then I got 33.33.
33333333 to one time. It's a recurring, non-terminating, recurring decimal, correct?
Yes, sir. But if I multiplied it into 3, it just said 100.
Correct. The calculator will say 100 because the 0.999999 difference is very small, so they round it off to 100. That is what I'm trying to explain.
Okay, sir.
Are you now clear? So what is 1 by 4? 1 by 4 is a fraction. If I convert into a percentage, 1 by 4 into 100 is 25%. Correct? Now I keep increasing the numerator by 1 till I get 1 by 1. So what is 2 by 4? 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2? 50%. Clear? Now what is 3 by 4? 3 by 4 is 1 by 4 into 3, 75%. 4 by 4 is 100%. Are you guys clear? Yes or no? I'm trying to make fractions to decimals or fractions to percentages very easy for you. Is this clear? If anyone asks 3 by 4, what should strike your head? 1 by 4 is 25, 3 by 4 is 1 by 4 into 3, so 25 into 3 is 75. That's how your calculation should improve. Alright?
Okay, sir.
Are we clear till here? Abhi next देखते हैं. What is 1 by 5? As a percentage, 1 by 5 into 100. That is 20%. You agree with me? Now my question is, what is 2 by 5? What is 3 by 5? What is 4 by 5? What is 5 by 5? 2 by 5 is 1 by 5 into 2. So 20 into 2 is going to become 40. 2 by 5 is 40%. What is 3 by 5? 1 by 5 into 3. 20 into 3 is 60%. 4 by 5 is 1 by 5 into 4. 20 into 4 is 80%. 5 by 5 is 100%. Is this also clear? I'm trying to help you understand so as to how it can be remembered easily. Is everyone clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now look at a very interesting set of fractions. We are now discussing 1 by 6. Now, how do I get 1 by 6? Can I write 1 by 6 as 1 by 2 into 1 by 3? You agree with me? 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 1 by 6. Yes or no? Now, 1 by 2 is half. 1 by 3 is 33.33. What is half of 33.33? 16.67%. Alright, are you guys clear? Did you see how I'm arriving at this?
Yes, sir.
over here, let me stop and tell you why we are doing what we are doing. What is the use? Now, if I tell you, calculate 16.67 percentage of 360 rupees. What is it that a normal student would do? He would say 360 into 16.67 divided by 100. Then he would cancel this. He would say 2 5s are 10, 2 18s are. He would do 18 into 16.67 by 5. Now, isn't this very difficult to calculate? Isn't it going to eat up a lot of time of yours? Yes or no?
Yes.
Correct. This is going to get really annoying. It's going to eat up a lot of time. There's a lot of calculation involved. Now, what would a smart student like you do? You would say, boss, I know 16.67% is 1 by 6. So instead of doing the stupid calculation, I'm going to straight away write 360 into 1 by 6. This is very easy. 6 6 are 36. Boss, 16.67% of 360 is 60 rupees. Close. Do the same thing for 18 into 16.67 by 5. Look at how much time you will kill. You will get an answer of 59.999 something, which is approximately equal to 60 rupees only. Do you now understand the usage of fractions to decimals, fractions to percentages, why we are doing this?